Hey, it's Kyle and Big Country Cory from Midwest Aftermarket. Today, we're going to be installing the sweet, beautiful Dauntless truck gear soft roll-up tonneau cover. And this one is going to be good for the 09 to 14 Ford F-150 6.5-foot truck bed. But we got these for a whole bunch of trucks. So whatever it is, pick up the phone, give us a call, figure it out which one of these is going to fit your truck. Again, beautiful product here, easy to install. As a matter of fact, the only tool that you're going to need is already in the box. Beautiful marine grade quality vinyl on this thing. It's not going to crack. It's not going to fade. Most beautiful of all, affordable price and lifetime warranty. So let's go ahead and install it. What do you say, Cory? Let's go. The first step is going to be simple. We're just going to be putting the rail on the side of your bed right here. Make sure that the plastic part, which is the latch, is going to be facing and close to the tailgate. Bingo. Next step is going to be putting on the bulkhead seal. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is what we did. Clean this bad boy off with maybe some isopropyl rubbing alcohol. Make sure you don't chug any of it, though. I learned that the hard way. Now we're going to be just putting on that bulkhead seal there. And again, Cory has the box cutter to cut off the excess. You're going to want to have it go the entire length of that bulkhead there and then cut it off when you get to the end. Whoa, don't want to lose an eye either. Thank you, Cory. I appreciate that. Next, we're going to be putting that tonneau cover on top of the bulkhead seal. And you're going to see that little black piece that Cory is using there. It's going to be protruding out from the tonneau cover. You're going to be taking your rail that you've already laid on the side of the bed earlier and just inserting it. There you go. So the piece protruding out goes into the rail. Now you're going to include that little Allen wrench there that was included in the box, and you're going to be using that to tighten the bolt. And once you've attached the tonneau cover to the side rail there by tightening that bolt, you're just going to do it on the other side. Before we get to the next step, which is going to be placing the clamps on, make sure that the rails are lined up with the bed, meaning that they're not all cattywampus, I guess would be the word there. So now we got the beautiful clamps, no tools required. You're going to see Cory there coming in from the bottom, and make sure that you get that top of the clamp into the lip, into the groove of that rail. And once it's there where it needs to be, simply tighten it from the bottom, just like Cory is now. And you're going to want to make sure that back clamp is flush with the latch that's on the back of the rail there. Of course, you got two more clamps on each side. One of those clamps you're going to want to have as close to the bulkhead as you can, and the other one obviously is going to be directly in the middle of those. Then, when you're done with that third clamp in the middle, simply do the exact same thing on the other side. But you probably already knew that because you're smart. All right, now that your clamps and your rails are on, all you got to do is unroll the tonneau cover. You got a clamp back here. Just go ahead and release that bad boy, and let's do it. Oh, yeah. There we go, Cory. Ain't that looking fine? Fine as wine, baby boy. One of the great things about the Dauntless truck gear soft roll-up tonneau cover is the double latch system. And it's super easy to open it up too. Just pull the handle there in the middle, bingo, roll that bad boy back and it's open. Look at that. Dauntless truck gear, man. That's all that you need to know. Hit us up, man. MidwestAftermarket.com. Pick up the phone. Give us a call. Any more questions, please hit us up. And like we said, this one is for the Ford F-150 6.5-foot bed, but we got plenty more where that came from. I'm Kyle. It's Big Country Cory. Midwest Aftermarket. We'll see you next time.